Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Leisure Time Jet Clean. What is Leisure Time Jet Clean? Often, if a spa or jetted tub has problems, the cause is out of sight. Jet Clean prevents such problems by keeping spa and jetted tub plumbing clear of organics, oils, dirt, and minerals. By using Jet Clean, spa owners can prevent buildup that could restrict water flow and damage equipment. Product benefits: clears inside plumbing, used before draining water, low foaming. Jet Clean should be applied each time a spa is drained and refilled so jets continue performing like new. Compatible with chlorine, bromine, and biguanide sanitizing systems. Usage directions for hot tubs. Step 1. Remove the filter and clean separately using Filter Clean. Step 2. Before the spa is drained, add 1 bottle of Jet Clean to warm spa water. Step 3. Turn the pump on and run the jets for 15 minutes. Ensure that the filter is not in the spa. Step 4. Turn the pump and jets off and let sit for 1 hour. Step 5. Turn the pump on and run jets and blower for 15 minutes. Step 6. Drain the spa, hosing off the inside spa walls while draining. Step 7. Refill the spa according to the Simple Spa Care program. For jetted tubs. Step 1. Pour 8 ounces, 1/2 bottle, in the tub with warm water before draining. Step 2. Turn jets on for 15 minutes. Step 3. Drain and rinse the tub with clean water. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.